Hi, Mike at Woodstove and Fireplace Parts, and today I wanted to talk to you about gasket cement, stove cement, and high temperature silicone, and when you use each one of those products. Really, it comes down to what project you're working on. If you're just putting gasket in a stove like this, the best product to use is just the gasket cement. It's very liquidy, it runs out real thin, it's real easy to use, it's almost clear, and you just apply it where you want it to go and put the gasket in there. In another video, I'll show you how that works. If you're doing some other repairs also besides just the gasketing, you actually want to fix like a crack or something in the stove, then you want to use what they call stove cement. And it comes usually in a toothpaste tube, something like this. Sometimes you'll see it in a caulking tube like that. But this is really used in a lot of different applications, like gluing some parts together, like I said, putting the gasket in, filling cracks, small cracks in a stove. It works pretty good, but it gets rock hard. It gets really, really hard. So that's what they call a cement. The other thing that you'll see out there is a high temperature silicone, which is usually comes out, and you'll know it because it's a bright red color. This is usually used in gas products. So like sometimes you'll see a glass that's actually sealed onto the surface of the fireplace. You'll see a high temperature silicone, and that product here is used. And the reason you use silicone for that instead of cement is because you want some pliability in there, so when the glass expands and contracts, since it's actually literally glued to the frame, you want it to move around a little bit. If you use the cement, there'll be no room for air. The glass will expand and pop and break the glass. With the silicone, it won't do that. So just using the right product at the right place at the right time. If you have any questions about that, give us a call. But we'll have some other videos here linked showing each individual product and how it's used.